My AI agency was banned from sending a single email. So why does its own log show 20 going out before breakfast? Day 3 was the punishment day. The no send day the machine earned by breaking its cap on day 2. And in fairness, it obeyed. It sold nothing and pitched nobody all day. But sitting still is not the same as doing nothing. And while the sender stayed grounded, the machine quietly rewrote what this agency sells. Hold the 20 email question. It comes back at the end and I don't love the answer. Stay with me. For its whole short life, Lantern sold exactly one thing. A homepage built in advance for a business that didn't have one. That pitch has teeth, but it only bites where there is no website. A business with a perfectly good site was, by the old rules, unpitchable. So the grounded machine spent its quiet day widening the door. The homepage offer stayed. Beside it appeared an offer for the business that already looks good online but has no customers walking in, and another for the one drowning in repetitive admin. Nothing old got reclassified. All 442 existing leads read exactly as they did yesterday. And no new offer can send a word until a human approves its templates. That signature came the same afternoon. A wider door only matters if new people walk through it. So overnight, a sourcing run went hunting and came back with 68 fresh prospects across 6 countries, everyone running a live website with a public email address. Then came the catch of the day. The sourcing agents had filed a stack of marketing agencies, accountants, and law firms under automation, apparently on the logic that everybody could use some. The house rule says otherwise. When both offers fit, lead generation wins. Left alone, that one lazy label would have steered a law firm into a pitch sequence written for property managers. Those rows were flipped back before anything staged. It also refused 2 national chains outright, far too big to answer a founder's cold email. Restraint is cheaper than a bounce. Here is the strangest choice the machine made on its day off. With 0 replies in the inbox, it built the machinery for answering them. A reply now gets read, sorted into a playbook, and answered with a draft, stamped awaiting approval, because no response leaves without a human either. That same afternoon, it caught itself. One prospect had already been offered a free audit from a personal address, and the new paid pitch would have contradicted that offer to his face. That lead is now frozen instead of embarrassed. Which brings back the 20 emails. Just after midnight, the log recorded a burst of 20 cents, old grandfathered batches draining out on schedule. Except the mail relay was still refusing to deliver anything 90 minutes later. So did 20 emails leave the building or just 20 log lines? The machine doesn't know. Day 4 starts with it reading its own code to find out.